You're watching the Daily Blizzard, and in today's show we have some Norwegian stees and some cat licking. The gold medal maestro sage Kotsenburg, when he got back to his local resort, the gang of Lick the Cat got a hold of his Olympic clothing and just went riding heavy around their local resort.
Here's your chance, do your dance, here's your chance, do your shake it. Here's your chance, do your dance, here's your chance, do your dance, here's your chance, do your dance, here's your chance, do your shake it. Here's your chance, do your dance, here's your chance, do your dance, here's your chance, do your dance, here's your chance, do your drop down and shake, shake, drop down and shake, shake, drop down and shake, shake, drop down and shake, drop down.
And if you didn't know it, Sage is now the main man in the big orange cereal box, and he joins such greats as Muhammad Ali and some gymnastic chick. And to top the show off, we give you Lars Jørgensen, the Norwegian steesmeister. Bit of a black and white show here, but it's such an epic little edit. So that's it from us today. Make sure you check the description below because we'll have the full links to all the episodes that we featured today. See you all tomorrow.